Today I would like to do a speed comparison between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone SE 2 or the iPhone SE second generation. From the first look, you're gonna tell it is similar to the iPhone 8, but actually this is the iPhone SE second generation, and I'm gonna do a speed comparison between both of these devices. Now let me briefly tell you about the specification of both of these devices. The iPhone 14 Pro Max, it came with A16 Bionic chip, whereas on the iPhone SE 2 it came with A13 Bionic chip. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do like app tests, games, and then we're gonna go ahead and check on Geekbench score. Now let's go ahead and get started. Since the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a new device from Apple and it has a 16 Bionic chip, you can tell that like this like few seconds faster than the iPhone SE 2. But in daily use and daily life it is not much different. But if you really care about the speed, I think 14 Pro Max is the choice. But at least the iPhone SE 2 it is still usable in 2022 because the speed is insanely good on this device. Now I'm gonna go into Geekbench score and test the result and see how both of these devices compare to each other. Now let me run a Geekbench score here. Here are the exact results from 14 Pro Max and iPhone SE 2. As you can tell that like it is half. So on the iPhone SE 2 it is half the speed of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it is not like I mentioned because 14 Pro Max is a new device. but at least iPhone SE 2 is still a good device as well. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.